14, 2 to bid. Now with the 9 of the negative, 11 of the 9 of the 9 of the 4. Now
Love saving money and finding treasures? Check out BronsteinAuction.com for our weekly live virtual auctions every Friday night. Find Orlando's best kept secret at BronsteinAuction.com. Save, find treasure, and have fun.
It's specialty time again, guys. We're doing the walkthrough preview video for Tuesday, the 19th of November. Our November specialty auction comes a little early this month, so be ready. Tuesday the 19th, we are going to sell all these really amazing items to the highest bidders. Once a month at Bronstein Auction Company, we do our specialty auction. It's the cool, unique treasures. No furniture, just nice, cool little smalls. Everything from daggers to chess sets to signed sports memorabilia with COAs to Pokemon collectibles, Disney items. We have all kinds of coins. Wait to see all the coins we've got, guys. Absolutely amazing coins for this sale. Yes, those will be coming up about halfway through the video. Snare drum, Invicta watch, really nice Invicta right here. Coach purses, we have a bunch of really nice purses. The Bible from 1962, check this baby out. It's the really cool, large, tight version. We have an Alvarez Dana 2 with the hard shell case, guys. What an awesome piece of musical equipment here. Beautiful Alvarez piece. Musicians, make sure you're on. Bring your friends, relatives, neighbors, and other fellow musicians to check it out. Coin collectors, we are jam loaded with coins, guys. Bring you up here. We have a Volkswagen commemorative guitar. How cool is that? Even comes with the Volkswagen picks, the Volkswagen inlay, the Volkswagen strap, the Volkswagen case. How Volkswagen-y is that? Even if you don't play and you got a Volkswagen, that would be a cool collectible. Paperweights, we got Elvis, he's layered. Elgato Stream Deck pedal, basically brand new out of the box. 24-inch tall, gorgeous Oriental vase right here, beautiful piece. The oldie here, Mercury motif. For the audio file, we have an Onkyo receiver. We have quite a few old school electronics. Yamaha receiver. We have Beats with the box. And we have Whitey Ford, Billy Martin with COA, Ali with a COA, Nudie Booty Playboy cartoons. Yeah, how funny is that? Really nice Fender Gemini, guys. Let me get some light on here. This baby is like a deep emerald green. Very, very, very nice Fender, y'all. Check it out. Vintage piece right there. Gorgeous Fender guitar. We have the signed red and black feather, signed and numbered. We have the Larry Buffet with a COA. His COA fell down. This really cool Esteban amp. In excellent condition. Leather outside. Nice piece. G10. Crosley combo with the vinyl player. A Schecter Diamond electric guitar, really nice piece right here. Really nice Schecter electric. That kind of rhymes, Schecter electric. It's on your vintage lunch boxes, DKNY new with tags, vintage holiness. Check those out, guys. More of the Playboy cartoons, those are cool. Muhammad Ali, with a guy laying on the ground, go figure. This really cool Toltec mounds piece that is awesome. It's like 8x10 with its own case. Really cool Coach purse right here. Nice one, brand spanking new. Mayfair mandolin with the case, another gorgeous piece. Jim Kelly, the boy from Buffalo. We're gonna come on down here a little further. We have Babe Ruth collector set right there. Pearl Harbor tribute. Choice of Ruth, Yost, or Ryan right here. Really nice cards, all graded up and ready to go for you guys. Pokemon, choice on the Pokemon. Batman collection, Batman. And Willie Mays, the man himself. How awesome is that? Willie Mays, we got Koufax and others. Nice sword set. Look at this beautiful snakeskin style sword set. Southpaw Neon. How cool is that? 16 by 28 vintage style neon, ready to go. Ted Williams with a certificate. 24 of the die cast, yes, including the case, and another 24 of the die cast, including the case. I'm going to shoot over here. We have a Roland EX10 keyboard, brand new in the box. NASA 22 by 18. The Braves, check that out. That's a really cool piece right there. A lot of the Playboy cartoons, again, another lot of those babies. Our 20-inch Butler, he'll be greeting you at the door. And Journey Time Cubed. Coming down here, we have the wireless PA system, Disney and other collectible movies. Nice little Ibanez Geo. Right here, good little starter guitar for the kids or an adult. 22 by 11 clock. It works, it ticks, it dings, it does everything it's supposed to do. Really amazing piece. And 23 pages of commemorative quarter and stamp sets, guys. Absolutely amazing. Choice on your outstanding swords. Disney cookie jar. How cool is that? Our metal bulldog, baby. He is cool as can be. Bring you on up here. Michael Kors, it is new. It has a little damage on the handle. 20-inch coffee pot. Coach purse. Yatin Patel, 36 by 12, done on metal. Yatin's quite an artist. RCA old school receiver and Ibanez tone blaster amplifier. Brand new Michael Kors clutch. Sealed Daytona Opoly. How cool is that? Kobe with a COA. Brand new Casio tone keyboard, brand spanking new, never used, guys. Coach computer bag, awesome piece right there. Randy Jackson American. Check this guitar out, guys. Is this not cool or what? Red, white, and blue, stars and stripes forever, baby. 7-inch vintage wall hanger pig. He is metal. Vintage perfume bottles. The Bank. Uncle Sam Bank, Lord Calvert, signed football. Now for the flyover on the coins. We have silver, silver, silver galore. Look at some of these absolutely mint condition Morgans. We have Walkers. We have Peace dollars in phenomenal condition. My God, we have some absolutely stunning, and I mean stunning Franklins. Just really, really cream of the crop coins here, guys. Really nice stuff. So make sure you get down here to Bronstein Auction Company. We will have preview Monday from 4 to 8 p.m. where you can come in and see everything in person. And Tuesday from 1 to 5 p.m. you can come out and preview. And Tuesday night, the 19th of November, at this point when I'm shooting this video, that is tomorrow. That's a peg leg. You'll be able to go online, or 6 p.m. the auction starts at 6 p.m. or especially start a little later because it's early in the week. Get on, bid item by item, rock and roll it. If you can't be on the auction, guys, have us bid for you. We'll bid just like you're bidding. But we have some outstanding coins, like really outstanding coins. So come on down, Bronstein Auction Company. We're located at 684 South US Highway 1792 in Longwood. You can come out and visit for a preview. Get registered if you're not already registered. Look at the quality of those. Johnson & Jordan US Gold Tone notes. Wow, check those out. Those will make a great stocking stuffer. 8 times on the old transistor radios. Look at this Jackson. Absolutely ready to go shred guitar, guys. Beautiful with the locking tuners, everything amazing. Star Wars, you name it, we've got it. Really unique necklace, some more really absolutely amazing condition Franklins. Susan B's vintage knives. How cool are they? Ruth or Jordan right here. You're gonna take your choice. Pocahontas. Some really cool old pins and jewelry. Estate pieces. Sterling silver. Wizard of Oz. Schecter. This baby is a beauty. The Schecter Omen. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous guitar. Look at the colors in this thing. Absolutely love the colors in it. Jordan and Bryant with a COA. We've got Mantle with a COA. We have this really cool Lion and the Lamb. Some marble. And then we have a Coach wallet. How cool is that? Going from the Coach wallet to the Coach purse to coming over here, we have this really cool collectible Star Wars piece there. And bringing on down, we have a MacBook. Yes, 13-inch MacBook Pro powered up, ready to go for you. Surround sound system. We have the Monster Power HTS 3500. These are all plugged up and working, guys, so you'll be able to, actually I should have powered those up for you, because we have some cool stuff to power up here. 25. All right, check it out, y'all. And we have a Loren new with tags. And your Monster Power powered up, ready to go for you. You got choice on your sports cards. Lots. Amazing. Veritable treasure lot right here. I don't know what's in there, guys. There's all kinds of stuff. So it's going to be a little treasure hunt. Barra and Ford with a COA. Barra looks a little odd the way he's looking at Ford there. You just tell me. Choice of your gold euros. All kinds of holy stuff. We got Bibles and all kinds of religious stuff. Really cool lot right there. Got a swing you on over here. We have this really nice vintage Yamaha G150A baseball lot. Look at this gorgeous Squire. This is an older Squire, guys, on the Strats. Nice piece. Got the dual pickup on the back low end and just absolutely amazing. Streamlined thin guitar. Gorgeous, just a gorgeous guitar. Bring you over here, we have the brand new acoustic electric, brand spanking new, came in out of the box, guys, so ready to go for you. Monster size clock right here. Michael Kors purse, really cool piece. Jumping into the back here, we have some really nice Waterford. Killian's Red, another nice for audiophiles Pioneer DTS system. Choice on the race cars. 4 times. These are stacked full. They're packs of the Playboy cartoons. Bringing on over here, we have a Sansui paired up with some Fisher speakers. Day books. These are very old ledger books. More of the Playboy setups. The Harley motorcycle, that is metal. Disney. We have pins. We have a Waltham pocket watch. Look that up, guys. A heavy-duty cast doorstop. Barbie box with the Ken dolls. Javelin dartboard. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. A 1700s castle door. This thing is absolutely stunning. Bring you over here. We have Huckleberry Call of the Wild and Eddie Rabbit collectible. We have the Panamax. We have Star Wars, Spider-Man, comic bags. 3 rings, 925 silver. This guy right here, you know what he is now. Look him up. Wood chess and checkers. Playboy vintage, all over the house right here. Sack, we have a Sack purse, brand new. Night vision, how cool is that? The Emerson turntable, you heard it playing earlier. Trains, look at the old train lot. Check that out. Check that out. That's a whole box full of vintage train coolness. And you have a Kate Spade. We have a Sack right here. And we're going to come up. We have a couple of pads. Let me power them up for you. All right, we have a couple of pads powered up, ready to go for you guys. Blue Pile amp. Check that baby out. That is the real deal. A Xenix mixer. 26 times on the really cool comics. Another Sack purse, brand new. MCM audio on the heavy-duty PA speakers. I'll bring you around here. We have the classic ornaments. I'm going to do choice here. These are glass. You get the containers with them. How cool is that? We're going to finish it off with Atari, baby. Who doesn't love Atari? All right, guys, come out and see us right here, Bronstein Auction Company. We've got our specialty auction for the 19th of November. live virtual online. We have everything you can imagine. This is our cool sale of the week. Friday, we have a big auction too. Make sure to get over to bronsteinauction.com and check us out and see all the coolness. We always have our preview videos and preview pictures up early as feasibly possible. We get a lot of stuff through, guys, so it is absolutely turn and burn for us here. So we try to get everything out to you as fast as possible so you can see. So always check back for our Friday auctions by Wednesday late night. All the pictures and video are up. And for our specialty auction, it's usually the Monday day before that all the pictures are up and video, and sometimes on Sunday or Saturday. But this time it is literally Monday before the sale. So the auction is tomorrow if you're watching this on Monday live. And if you're not, the auction could be today if it's tomorrow. All right, guys, don't want to confuse you. Give us a call, 407-917-7355 or 689-227-5757 should you have any questions, need to have us bid for you. If you want to sell an entire estate or one or two pieces, we can do it. We do take consignments. So come out and check us out. Bronstein Auction Company. We are here to serve your auction, estate, and all your needs, guys. We'll get you all taken care of, whatever you need. So check it out. We have a really good specialty sale for Tuesday, the 19th of November. Have an amazing day. Be blessed. See you on the auction.